Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys top 6 hair brushes that I found. Those are free and you can actually download those instantly. And so yeah, I was actually researching for hair brushes and I decided to kind of make a video about it, the best ones that I found. And I'm also going to be testing those out on the Procreate app, and I'm also going to be giving you guys timestamps down in the description. So just move on to your favorite part that you want to see. So without any further ado, let's just get started. So as you guys can see, I have 6 tabs opened up right here on my iPad to show you guys how I download and the brushes that I'm going to be downloading. Okay guys, so the website that I'm using to actually download these free brushes is Brushes for Procreate. So yeah, this website is amazing. You can actually find paid brushes and also free ones. So the first hair brush pack is this one, hair brushes pack. I don't see the artist name right here. So I really liked hair 4, 5 and 6. Just because of the softness that the hair strokes has, even though 1, 2 and 3 are good also, but I think I'm only gonna be downloading hair 4, 5 and 6. And also you guys, I'll be giving you guys link to each of these brush pack down in the description. So what you want to do is just click on to whatever brush you want to download. So just keep downloading for now. Just hit these buttons right here and I will tell you how to install these brushes onto Procreate later on. Let's just go ahead and see the other brush packs that I really liked. The next one is also Hair Free Brushes by Liza Mack, if I am pronouncing that correct. And this is a whole brush set. And I really liked this because the hair strokes are kind of really dense. And that is the reason why I really liked this brush pack. And also we have different texture for this dense hair stroke kind of brush. So again, I'm just going to go ahead and click download brush set and it will download. And the next one is free hair brush pack. Okay, so the name for these brush set are kind of similar to one another, but it's fine. So this brush pack is by Baobab, if that's how you call it. And the reason why I chose this brush set is because, as you guys can see, a little hair strokes here and there. Some are really dense, some are really thin. So it's like a complete package of thin to thick hair stroke, if that is making any sense. So again, we're just gonna go ahead and hit download brush set. The next one is by Basic X, and the reason why I picked this brush set up is because of the brush number 4 and 5. And I just can imagine how many things I can actually do with those brushes. Specifically hair 4, if you guys can see, brush number 4 is also going to help you create eyebrows as well. So that is the reason why I picked this up. So again, I'm going to go ahead and hit download brush set. Okay, so the next brush set is free anime hair brush pack, and this is by @key. And the reason why I picked this brush set up is because of the title anime hair. So again, I'm just gonna hit download brush set and we're gonna be testing these out, so we'll know how these go. And the last one on this list is, again, the name are kind of similar to the previous ones, but I really like these because of the texture of the hair strokes that we can see around this iPad. I really like the texture, so that is the reason why I chose this one. So again, just gonna go ahead, and this is also by Baobab. Okay, so once you have downloaded all of the brush sets, how you want to install these is you have to first click on this little icon right here, which is for downloads. And then what you want to do is you want to just go ahead and click one by one onto these little files, and it will just install the brushes automatically and instantly without you having to do anything. So I'm just going to click on hair 5.2, and this is just going to open up Procreate. As you guys can see, it's importing the brushes, and I'm just going to do the similar thing to all of them. So I have imported these brushes and now I'm just going to test these out, even though I never use hairbrush to create hair. But yeah, I think I'm gonna be doing that from now. So here are, I think, all of the brushes. So if you have actually downloaded a brush separately, it will actually appear in this imported tab. So that's that. So I'm just going to try these out. I'm just going to select a color first. So as you guys can see, we already have a hairbrush on Procreate, which comes with the Procreate app without downloading. And those hair brushes actually look similar to these, but I really liked hair number 6 and hair number 5. But hair number 6 is, as you guys can see, how good it is. Just have a look at these. You just have to do this little stroke and you're done with the hair painting. So that's how amazing. I really liked hair 6. You should just go ahead and download this brush. If you kind of take your time drawing your hair, then I'd highly recommend downloading this brush. As you guys can see, the hair is ready, you guys. The hairstyle is ready. So that's one of my favorite ones. So I'm just going to clear the layer and check out the other brush sets as well. Should come right up here. As you guys can see, we have all of the brush set right here. I'm just going to start off with Hair Free Eliza. And as you guys can see, again, I'm just going to stroke. I'm just going to use each and every one of these. And again, the hair number 6 is so amazing. Just look at it. If you want to draw thin looking hair, thin fine looking hair, then this brush is going to be amazing for that. I really liked this brush also. So I don't know what's up with number 6, but this brush is amazing. So I'm going to clear up the layer again. I'm just going to go ahead and try free hair. So the hair number 1 looks fine. It's like a fine hair. And what if I want to draw eyebrows with these? No, I cannot. And then we have hair number 2. It's also a fine looking hair. Then we have thicker looking hair. And then I guess we have some curly kind of texture. So if you want to draw some coiled hair, I think this texture would work best for those kind of hair. So these are kind of for fine looking hair. I really liked the textured one. I'm just gonna first try texture hair. I'm not gonna go ahead and try each and every one of those. So I don't really like it because it's just kind of merging all of the little hair strokes that we need. So I don't really like this one. I'm just gonna try hair 2. This is too small, too thin. And hair number 3 also looks fine as hell. This is fine. This does not look like hair. I'm gonna try hair 4. So as I said, hair number 4 will be really good to create an eyebrow. You don't really have to add so many hair strokes. Even though this does not look like an eyebrow, but yeah, you can still work with it. And then we have hair 5. So I think the hair number 4 and 5 are to create short hair. And these brushes will be really good to create short hair, especially the hair number 5. You can create short hair with these really nicely. So yeah, you should definitely go ahead and download this brush set. Then we have free anime hair. So I'm gonna try glowing hair. And in bracket, they have written works best on colored hair. So I'm just gonna try some different color for this. I'm gonna try pink. Let's see how it goes. All right. Oh my God, this is glowing. Then we have this called hair. And as you guys can see, these are so soft looking strokes, but they are kind of merging, the strokes kind of merging with each other, but this looks amazing. This looks so soft and so hair-like. So I think I am in love with this brush set. I'll be using this a lot. So I'd highly recommend downloading this brush set, which is free anime hair and free hair brush. The last one is free hair V.2 version 2, I guess. So I'm just gonna clear this layer. So first I'm just gonna try hairstyle stamp. Let's just see what it is. Okay, so this is like a hair stamp. So you just have to tap onto the screen and you're done with the hair. Obviously, you would want to edit this. This would act like a mini hair strand. And you can just add these and create a hairstyle. I think that's how this will work, but I really liked this. And I'm just gonna try now hair 3. Okay, I really liked the texture. Then we have hair 5. This is pretty thick. Hair 4. Hair 6, again a textured one. And hair number 6 As you guys can see, this texture would go really well with coiled hair. I do have a video on that, but I never created a video where I actually use hairbrush to create a hairstyle, so I'll be doing that soon. So yeah, and I'm just also gonna try hair stamp this first one. So this is like a hair stamp like this, and you can just go ahead, tap onto the screen and just edit it according to your painting. So that was it for today's video. I just wanted to create this video to share some of my favorite hairbrush set that I downloaded for free, and I wanted to help you guys with those as well, because I was kind of planning to start to create hairstyle using hairbrushes, as these are just gonna save a lot of time, as when you draw hair from scratch you have to actually create each and every hair stroke, and you have to make sure those are looking nice, natural, and realistic in some cases. So that is why I think you should definitely go ahead and download these brush set. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It's free. Just support my channel. If you guys want me to continue with this channel with posting regularly on a regular basis, show some support to my videos, as it motivates me to create more and more content for you guys. Also, please consider subscribing to my channel, and if you do create something on my tutorials and tag me on Instagram, I will link it down in the description. I actually go through each and every one of you, and I really appreciate it, so do that. And other than that, I will see you guys in the next video.